Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Onforu 24W LED bathroom ceiling light. It's not only for bathroom, of course. You can install it where you like. 2100 lumen IP65 waterproof and super bright flush square lights. CRI 90 plus, that's awesome. 4000 Kelvin, neutral white modern wall mounted. It's a ceiling lamp for our living room, bedroom, or patio, inside or outside, because it is IP65 waterproof. You cannot dive with it, of course, but you can install it outside, no problem with that. 2100 lumen bright. This is a nice ceiling light. It's suitable for 18 to 24 square meters of area. It's replacing 220 watt equivalent light, and it's saving up to 90% electricity bill. That's awesome. No worry over high electricity costs after you attach this nice light and 90 plus CRI. Wow. This cozy 4000 Kelvin neutral white light presents items in an authentic color and add enchanting atmosphere in our home. It's suitable for bathroom, living room, kitchen, bedroom, etc. And it is being IP54 waterproof and dustproof. The light can be versatily applied like a living room, bathroom, or indoor swimming pool, porch, etc. Dustproof rating prevent dust from entering into the light. No dark spot on light after long term of using. And we have a superior PMAA light shield. The ceiling light can emit soft and symmetrical light and protect our eyes. Anti-glare and flicker-free. Less eye fatigue after working or studying. And it's really easy. 4-step easy installation. It's so easy because the first step is you have to switch off your power supply at your home. Okay. Now, we have two wires on this LED ceiling light. One is the wire which will travel the electricity through it. This is the line in red or black or brown. So that we have to connect with our line at our home easily. Second step is we have to attach the blue line. This is the back path of the electricity. This we have to connect to. And then the LED ceiling light are able to give some light. But to attach it to the wall or another location, you have to use this clamp, this metal clamp on the back side of the ceiling light and attach this to the wall easily. Then connect the wires and attach the ceiling light on the metal string. The job's done. That's really easy. After this, you can enable the power again and have a nice 24 watt LED ceiling with 2100 lumen brightness, IP54 waterproof and easy to install. That's awesome, isn't it? And the light is really clear. 2100 lumen. What is lumen? Lumen is the things to get the power. This is lumen. Lumen is the awesome thing to get into this light setup with it. So lumen, it is, the symbol is LM. It is an SL divided unit for brightness. it is defined as 1 candela time 1 steradian. 1 lumen is about a 12th the brightness of a candle. So a candle has a brightness of around 12 lumens. And if you can see, this here has 2100 lumens. This is really awesome, isn't it? Wow. And then we have Kelvin. Kelvin is a temperature measurement. That means if you are above 4000 or 3800 Kelvin, that means the light is more a little bit more blue, like outside. If it is there bright, really bright, it's the same for 4000 lumen. And if you are in the medium range of the brightness level, you have a standard medium style light, like here. This is 4000 Kelvin. This is neutral white. That means you have a white light. If you go down to 3000 Kelvin, that it is more orange part of it. And then it's better to chill or have a chill and relax light at home. For example, 3000 Kelvin. But here we are at 4000 Kelvin. This is good for kitchen, bathroom, living room, bedroom. But in bedroom, it is only to make your daily work with it. It's not good for bedroom at winter time. If it's Christmas time, etc., then this ceiling light will be too much brightness. Okay, but it's awesome to give a nice and good high quality light to you and in all areas around you where you are going to install this ceiling light. This is easy to attach, as you can see, only mounted to the wall. Then get access with the brown and blue lines of your power supply. Use for this a clamp system. It's easy to attach, as you can see. And after you've finished this connection, you can dock the bathroom ceiling light onto the mount. Job's done. And after this, it's really easy to have a nice and good ceiling light at home or outside at your pool area. No problem with that. The voltage is 230 volts. Then the wattage is 24 watts. And the light comes to you with LEDs, light emitted diodes. The color is neutral white. You can buy this in daylight white too, or in warm white. Warm white, I think that's better for your bedroom, okay? And of course for your living room. If you go to the daylight, it is really good for your walking area, etc. But this here is neutral white. This means it is the best of all worlds. That is in the center of the brightness level. Easy, yeah. The dimensions are round about 30 centimeters to 30 centimeters and to some 8 centimeters approximately. The classification is IP5 Fixed. This is awesome too. The Ip5 Fixed Classification is the classification of dust and water. How long it will stand again then. The IP code is a standard code to get this information in it. That means if there isn't 5 on the identification code, that means it's dust protected. That means increase of dust is not entirely prevented, but it must not enter in sufficient quantity to interference with the satisfactory operation of the equipment. Wow. So you cannot touch the electrical things because they are hidden behind that ceiling light, and the inside is protected against dust. Oh yeah. And then the next is the the 7, isn't it? Because you have to look what IP standard it comes. It is IP5, that means dust protection, and 4 means water jets protection. The water protected by a nozzle 6.3 millimeters, 0.25 inches, against enclosure from any directions shall have no harmful effects of this on this item. So it is nearly waterproof. The test duration in this case is 1 minute per square meter for at least 3 minutes, and the water volume is 12.5 liters in that test. Per minute pressure, 30 kilopascal at distance of 3 meters. That means you can attach this light into your bathroom. No problem because of the water. You can attach it in your pool room area, in your spa, no problem, because it is waterproof. But you cannot attach it underwater. This is not okay. Okay? So, that is the Onforu waterproof 24 watt LED ceiling lights. CRI 90 plus 11 inches square flush mounted LED ceiling light with 200 watt incandescent bulbs. That's awesome. It comes with a neutral style of power to you. So, as you can see, it is attached easily and it makes a good and awesome seeing light. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.